నిలవదే మది నిలవదే సిరి సొగసులు చూసి ఉలకదే మరి పలకదే తొలి వలపున తడిసి దేవదాసి కాళిదాసి ఎంత పొగిడినా కొంత మిగిలిపోయేంత అందం నీది నిలవదే మది నిలవదే సిరి సొగసులు చూసి ఉలకదే మరి పలకదే తొలి వలపున తడిసి అలా నువ్వు చూస్తే చాలు వెళుతూ వెళుతూ వెనుతిరిగి అదోలాంటి తేనెల బాణం దిగదా ఎదలోకి నువ్వు నడిచే దారులలో పూల గంధాలే ఊపిరిగా కథ నడిచే మనసు కదే హాయి రాగాలే హామనిగా దినమొక రకముగా పెరిగిన సరదా నిను విడి మనగలదా నిలవదే మది నిలవదే సిరి సొగసులు చూసి ఉలకదే మరి పలకదే తొలి వలపున తడిసి na 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 la 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 ah ha 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 ఎలా నీకు అందించాలో ఎదలో కదిలే మధురిమలు నేనే ప్రేమ లేఖగా మారి ఎదుటే నిలిచాను నట్టునే బదులిదని చెప్పుకోలేవులే మనసా పదములతో పనిపడని మౌనమే ప్రేమ పరిభాష తెలుపక తెలిపిన వలపక వరమని కడలిగా అలలెగష నిలవదే మది నిలవదే సిరి సొగసులు చూసి ఉలకదే మరి పలకదే తొలి వలపున తడిసి దేవదాసి కాళిదాసి ఎంత పొగిడినా కొంత మిగిలిపోయేంత అందం నీది. Thank you. So that was my first song, beautiful composition by Mickey Mayers and originally sung by SPBG. Okay, what I will do is I will try one of my very favorite Hindi song. It's a song I think that really gave this hero his stardom. I don't know where we all love these songs from this movie, so I'll give it a try. This is from Maine Pyar Kiya. The song is Dil Deewana. बिन सजना के माने ना दिल दीवाना बिन सजना के माने ना ये पगला है समझाने से समझे ना ये पगला है समझाने से समझे ना धक धक भोले इत उत डोले दिन रहना ये पगला है समझाने से समझे ना ये पगला है समझाने से समझे ना
दर्द जुदाई क्या होता है तुम जानो मैं जानू। ओ हो दर्द जुदाई क्या होता है तुम जानो मैं जानू। प्यार बुलाए दुनिया रोके किसका कहना मानू। तुमसे मिले बिन दिल को कुछ भी सूझे ना। ये पगला है समझाने से समझे ना। ये पगला है समझाने से समझे ना।
I'll stop here because I've got quite a few other songs as well, just in the interest of time. I hope you guys are able to hear clearly and you're able to listen. I'm unable to see the comments or if you are saying anything, but please keep. Okay, I can see a few comments. Thank you. All right, I'm going to try now a Kannada song, which is again pretty in the recent years. This is from a very popular movie called Amrita Varshini, and just love this song completely. This is, I think, trying to think. Okay, let me give this song. It's a beautiful song. I hope you guys like it.
ಭಲೆ ಭಲೆ ಚಂದದ ಚಂದುಲಿ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ನೀನು. ಮಿಂಚು ಕೂಡ ನಾಚುವ ಮಿಂಚಿನ ಬಳ್ಳಿ ನೀನು. ಭಲೆ ಭಲೆ ಚಂದದ ಚಂದುಲಿ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ನೀನು. ಮಿಂಚು ಕೂಡ ನಾಚುವ ಮಿಂಚಿನ ಬಳ್ಳಿ ನೀನು. ನಿನ್ನ ಚಂದ ಹೊಗಳಲು ಅಡಪುಂಜ ಸಾಲದು. ನಿನ್ನ ಕಂಗಳ ಕಾಂತಿಗಳಿಂಧನ ತಾನೇನು ಊರೆಲ್ಲ ಹೊಂಬೆಳಕು. ನೀನು ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಇಟ್ಟನ್ನು ನಲ್ಲನ್ನು ಕಾಲಡಿ ಹೂವಾಗಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಭಲೆ ಭಲೆ ಚಂದದ ಚಂದುಲಿ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ನೀನು. ಮಿಂಚು ಕೂಡ ನಾಚುವ ಮಿಂಚಿನ ಬಳ್ಳಿ ನೀನು. ತಂಗಾಳಿಯು ತಂದನ ಹಾಡಿತ್ತು ಕೇಳೋಕೆ ನಾ ಹೋದರೆ. ನಿನ್ನ ಈ ಸರಿಗಮ ಕೇಳಿತು ಸಮ ಸಮ ಹಚ್ಚಿತು. ಜುಳು ಜುಳು ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಲ್ಲನ ಹಾಡಿತ್ತು ನೋಡೋಕೆ ನಾ ಬಂದರೆ. ನಿನ್ನದೇ ತಕಥೈ ಕಂಡಿತು ತಕಧಿನಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿತು. ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಸುಂದರ ತೋಟವಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೂರಾರು ಹೂಗಳ ರಾಶಿ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಹಾಡು ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಮೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಸಾಲು ಇದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಾಲಲು ಈ ಮುಖ ಅಕ್ಷರ ನಿಂದೇನಾ. ಉತ್ತರ ಇಲ್ಲದ ಸಿಹಿ ಒಕ್ಕಟ್ಟು ನಿನ್ನಂದ ನಿನ್ನಂದ ನಿನ್ನಂದವೇ. ಭಲೆ ಭಲೆ ಚಂದದ ಚಂದುಲಿ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ನೀನು. ಮಿಂಚು ಕೂಡ ನಾಚುವ ಮಿಂಚಿನ ಬಳ್ಳಿ ನೀನು.
Okay, thank you. I hope you like this Kannada song. I'm just checking. I hope I'm coming across clearly. It's good. Okay. Now I need to do a Tamil song. That's the 4th language that I'm trying today. This is another beautiful song, Ilayaraja's composition from the movie Ayiram Nilaveva. One of my favorite SPB, a very haunting song.
தேவதை இளந்தேவி உன்னை சுற்றுமாவி காதலான கண்ணீர் காணவில்லையா? ஓ நீ இல்லாமல் நானா? தேவதை இளந்தேவி உன்னை சுற்றுமாவி காதலான கண்ணீர் காணவில்லையா? ஓ நீ இல்லாமல் நானா? ஏரிக்கரை பூவெல்லாம் எந்தன் பெயர் சொல்லாதோ? பூவசந்தமே நீ மறந்ததே? ஆற்று மணல் நீரெங்கும் நான் வரைந்த கோலங்கள் தேவமுல்லையே காணவில்லையே? இது காதல் சோதனை, இரு கண்ணில் வேதனை, ஒரு வானம் பாடி தேகம் பாடி பாடும் சோகம் கோடி. தேவதை இளந்தேவி உன்னை சுற்றுமாவி காதலான கண்ணீர் காணவில்லையா? ஓ நீ இல்லாமல் நானா?
Okay, I'm stopping with one Pallavi and one Charanam just to accommodate more songs. I hope you don't mind. Thank you all. I can see, yeah, thank you Harigaru, thank you Srinu, thank you. Oh, thank you Sridevi. I'm glad you got up early to watch. Thank you. Oh, thank you Madhuri. Okay, I'll do another Hindi song now. What should I? Okay, it's again another popular song. I'll try. I hope you guys like it. This is from Hum Aapke Hai Kaun.
पहला प्यार है, पहली पहली बार है, पहला पहला प्यार है, पहली पहली बार है। जाने के भी अनजाना ऐसा मेरा यार है। पहला पहला प्यार है। उसकी नजर पलकों के चमन से मुझे देखती, उसकी नजर उसकी हया अपने ही चाहत का राज खोलती, उसकी हया छुप के करे जो वफा, ऐसा मेरा यार है। ओ पहला पहला प्यार है, पहली पहली बार है।
Thank you. Okay, let me just take. Okay. I hope you guys are liking the songs that I've chosen for today. I've got a fairly popular song. This is actually a breathless song. SPB, one of the beautiful songs actually. This song is a movie that was made in both languages, Tamil and Telugu. I'll try and sing that song. It's
மண்ணில் இந்த காதலன்றி யாரும் வாழ்தல் கூடுமோ, எண்ணம் கண்ணி பாவையின்றி ஏழு ஸ்வரந்தான் பாடுமோ, నీ నాకు పంచి జ్ఞాపకాలురా, రేగి మూగ తలపే వలపు పంతరా, மண்ணில் இந்த காதலன்றி யாரும் வாழ்தல் கூடுமோ, எண்ணம் கண்ணி பாவையின்றி ஏழு ஸ்வரந்தான் பாடுமோ, ఇవి నాకు పంచి జ్ఞాపకాలురా, రేగి మూగ తలపే వలపు పంతరా. వెన్నెలల్లె పూలు విరిసి తేనెలు చిలికేను, చింత చేరి ఆదమరిచి ప్రేమలు కోసరేన్, చందనాల జల్లు కురిసే చూపులు కలిసేన్, చందమామ పట్ట పగలే నింగిని పొడిచేన్, కన్నె పిల్ల కలలే నాకిక లోకం, సన్నజాజి కలలే మోహన రాగం, చిలకల పలుకులు అలకల ఉలుకులు, నా చెలి సొగసులు నన్నే మరిపించే, మాటిరాని చిన్నదాన్ని కళ్ళు పలికే ఊసులు, అందాలన్నీ పల్లవించి ఆలపించే పాటలు, ముద్దబంతి లేత నవ్వులు చిందెను మధువులు ఊసులాడు మేని వగలు వన్నెల జిలుగులు హరివిల్లులోని రంగులు నా చెలి సొగసులు వేకువల మేలు కొలుపే నా చెలి పిలుపు సందవేల పలికే నాలో పల్లవి సంతసాల సిరులే నావే అన్నది మూసి మూసి తలపులు తరగని వలపు నా చెలి సొగసులు అన్నీ కనావే మాటేరాన్ని చిన్నదాన్ని కళ్ళు పలికే ఊసులు అందాలన్నీ పల్లవించి ఆలపించే పాటలు ప్రేమే నాకు పంచే జ్ఞాపకాలురా రేగి మూగ తలపే బలపు పంతరా மண்ணில் இந்த காதலன்றி யாரும் வாழ்தல் கூடுமோ எண்ணம் கண்ணி பாவையின்றி ஏழு ஸ்வரம்தான் பாடுமோ.
Okay, thank you. Okay, let me take another good song. Which one? Which language should I try? I'll do another Telugu song. It's a beautiful song. It's a beautiful song from the movie Raja. The song is Edo Oka Ragam. Music direction is obviously by S.A. Rajkumar garu. Okay.
Hey 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 aha ra 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 la 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 ఒక రాగం పిలిచింది వేళ ఎదలో నిదురించి కదలెన్నో కదిలేలా ఏదో ఒక రాగం పిలిచింది వేళ ఎదలో నిదురించి కదలెన్నో కదిలేలా నా చూపుల దారులలో చిరుదీపం వెలిగేలా నా ఊపిరి తీగలలో అనురాగం పలికేలా జ్ఞాపకాల మరపు జ్ఞాపకాల మేల్కొలుపు జ్ఞాపకాల నిట్టూర్పు జ్ఞాపకాల ఓదార్పు ఏదో ఒక రాగం పిలిచింది వేళ ఎదలో నిదురించి కదలెన్నో కదిలేలా వీచే గాలులలో నీ ఊసులు జ్ఞాపకమే పూచే పువ్వులలో నీ నవ్వులు జ్ఞాపకమే తూర్పు కాంతుల ప్రతికిరణం నీ కుంకుమ జ్ఞాపకమే తులసి ముక్కలోని సిరుల జ్ఞాపకం చిలక ముక్కులాని పలక జ్ఞాపకం ఏదో ఒక రాగం పిలిచింది వేళ ఎదలో కదలిన్నో కదిలిలా.
Okay, I hope you like that song. I think the song is also there in Tamil. I remember singing that in Tamil as well. I know I want to. I've got the last few songs left. I don't want to hold you all for too long, but let me finish with okay, this is a beautiful song. There's one small Kannada song which is a very popular song from the movie Bandhana, SP song. Sorry.
ನೂರೊಂದು ನೆನಪು ಎದೆಯಾಳದಿಂದ ಹಾಡಾಗಿ ಬಂತು ಆನಂದದಿಂದ. ನೂರೊಂದು ನೆನಪು ಎದೆಯಾಳದಿಂದ ಹಾಡಾಗಿ ಬಂತು ಆನಂದದಿಂದ. ನೂರೊಂದು ನೆನಪು ಎದೆಯಾಳದಿಂದ ಹಾಡಾಗಿ ಬಂತು ಆನಂದದಿಂದ. ಸಿಂಧೂರ ಬಿಂದು ನಗನಮ್ಮ ಎಂದು ಎಂದೆಂದು ಇರಲಮ್ಮ ಈ ದಿವ್ಯ ಬಂದ. ನೂರೊಂದು ನೆನಪು ಎದೆಯಾಳದಿಂದ ಹಾಡಾಗಿ ಬಂತು ಆನಂದದಿಂದ. ಒಲವೆಂಬಲತೆಯು ತಂದಂತ ಹೂವು ಮುಡಿಯೇರೆ ನಳಿಯು ಮುಡಿಜಾರೆ ಹೂವು. ಕೈಗೂಡಿದಾಗ ಕಂಡಂತ ಕನಸು ಅದೃಷ್ಟದಾತ ತಂದಂತ ಸೊಗಸು. ಪ್ರೀತಿ ನಗುತ್ತಿರಲಿ ಬಾಳು ಬೆಳಗಿರಲಿ, ಪ್ರೀತಿ ನಗುತ್ತಿರಲಿ ಬಾಳು ಬೆಳಗಿರಲಿ. ನೀವೆಂದು ಇರಬೇಕು ಸಂತೋಷದಿಂದ. ನೂರೊಂದು ನೆನಪು ಎದೆಯಾಳದಿಂದ ಹಾಡಾಗಿ ಬಂತು ಆನಂದದಿಂದ.
Okay, it's actually a very beautiful song SPB sang for Dr. Vishnuvardhan. I think that combination is brilliant. Love almost all the songs that are there, so I kind of learnt some of these. I'll do one Hindi finally before I wrap up. It's one of my all-time favorite songs, and I'm sure you'll all like it. This is from again Maine Pyar Kiya.
रंगने वाली परी हो या हो परियों की रानी या हो मेरी प्रेम कहानी। मेरे सवालों का जवाब दो ना। मेरे रंग में रंगने वाली परी हो या हो परियों की रानी या हो मेरी प्रेम कहानी। मेरे सवालों का जवाब दो ना। बोलो न क्यों ये चांद सितारे तकते हैं यूं मुखड़े को तुम्हारे। बोलो न क्यों ये चांद सितारे तकते हैं यूं मुखड़े को तुम्हारे। छूके बदन को हवा क्यों महकी रात भी है कुछ बहकी बहकी। मेरे सवालों का जवाब दो ना।
Thank you. I just love singing these songs, but I know it's. I wanted to wrap up this quickly. I hope all of you like the songs that I selected for reliving SPB. These are all very popular songs of his in each of the languages. So I think people who are close to these languages certainly know these. And I've enjoyed singing all this for a very long time. So I thought my first ever time, let me do this. Thank you all for your support, and please do thank you for the support first of all. And in case you like to sing with me, you want to sing, please get in touch. I'd love to sing with people who are passionate. And follow my pages. I have a YouTube channel. I have a website called ravivishwa.com. Please check that out if you like it. I'm going to wrap this program with this last song, and then I'll see you all. This is actually a duet. I wanted to try this for a long time, so I'm just giving it a shot. I'll try and sing this.
அடிரக்கம்மா கைய தட்டு புது ராகத்தில் மெட்டுக்கட்டு அடிரக்கோடி மேளங்கொட்டு இந்த ராசாவின் நெஞ்ச தொட்டு அடிராசாவே பந்தல் நட்டு புது ரோசா பூ மாலை கட்டு அடிராசாத்தி தோளில் இட்டு தினம் ராவெல்லாம் காலம் கட்டு ஒரு கட்டுக்காவல் இது ஒத்துக்காது என கட்டி போடு ஒரு சூரன் ஏது
ஜாங்கு சக்கு 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 ஜாங்கு சக்கு சாம் ஜாங்கு சக்கு 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 ஜாங்கு சக்கு சாம் ஜாங்கு சக்கு 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 ஜாங்கு சக்கு சாம் ஜாங்கு சக்கு 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 ஜாங்கு சக்கு சாம்
அடி ரக்கம்மா கைய தட்டு புது ராகத்தில் மெட்டுக்கட்டு அடிராசாவே பந்தல் கட்டு புது ரோசா பூ மாலை கட்டு நாளும் தெப்பம் வீடும் நாளும் மச்சான் இங்கே அது ஏன் கூறு அடவூரு சனம் யாவும் ஒத்துமையா சேரும் வம்பும் கும்பும் இல்ல நீ பாரு மக்கள சத்தா எட்டு ஊருதான் எட்டனும் தம்பி அடி ஜோராக பக்கிரவாடம் அந்த வாரையே அக்கனும் தம்பி வீடு நேராக தட்டி பாடு முத்தம்மா முத்தம் சிந்து பனிமுத்து போல் நித்தம் வந்து மாமா நீ சொல்லி கட்டு இங்கு மேயாதே துள்ளிக்கிட்டு அடிப்பக்கம் நீதான் ஒரு வைக்க போரு உன கொஞ்சம் மேஞ்சா இனி வைக்க போரு
ஜாங்கு சக்கு 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 ஜாங்கு சக்கு சாம் ஜாங்கு சக்கு 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 ஜாங்கு சக்கு சாம் ஜாங்கு சக்கு 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 ஜாங்கு சக்கு சாம் ஜாங்கு சக்கு 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 ஜாங்கு சக்கு சாம்
அடிரக்கம்மா கைய தட்டு புது ராகத்தில் மெட்டுக்கட்டு அடமாமா நீ ஜல்லிக்கட்டு இங்கு மேயாதே துள்ளிக்கிட்டு.
Alright, thank you. I had to sing a Rajnikant song. I'm a big fan of his, so I wanted to try Rajnikant and SPV, the ultimate combination. Thank you all for watching me today. I just love singing. As I said, I can keep going on and on, but I'll be respectful of all of your time. Thank you for taking time to come and listen to me, and to I think this was a good occasion to relive some of the beautiful songs of SPB and remember him. I don't think he's a person we're going to forget ever, but nevertheless he has been a great inspiration to millions of people and to me for sure. So thank you once again, and stay safe all of you. I know we're going through some bizarre times, so I just hope everything ends well and soon for all of us, and we all get to lead normal lives. Thank you. It was great to do this first Facebook Live, and I do hope to do a lot more going forward. Hopefully you'll all support me and encourage me. Please do follow my pages, as I said. Follow my YouTube channel, my website ravivishwa.com. All my pages are linked, so you can reach out to me. You can message me. You can let me know what you want me to sing, or how we can collaborate. Time permitting, certainly I'll do that. I generally try and prioritize music always. So thank you. It was great meeting all of you. I will close the call, so thank you once again.